Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. Sometimes you don't know what to draw, and if you're a stoker, it means that you sell your designs on Adobe Stock, Shutterstock or other stocks. Sometimes you don't know what to draw, and I prepared to you Stoker'S calendar. And let me explain what is it and how to use it. Well guys, here you see my Stoker'S calendar for August. And here you see holidays. Holidays are great content to sell on stocks. When you don't know what to draw, you always can draw on holidays theme. And your designs will be sell every year because holidays are repeated every year. Here you see 10 main holidays for August, on my opinion, and here you see the name of holiday, what to draw for that holiday. For example, National Watermelon Day, August 3rd. What to draw: watermelons, whole and slices, watermelon patterns, summer posters, watermelon cocktails and juices, discount banners, and plus you can write a holiday inscription, or you cannot write without tying it to the holiday. It means that you can draw, for example, poster with name of holiday, National Watermelon Day, or you can just draw watermelon, and your buyers who's need only watermelon, they will be buy your watermelon during the year or in the summer. And if you write National Watermelon Day, it means that your buyers will be people who need National Watermelon Day poster. So you can take holiday from my calendar and create designs not only for that holiday, and make the theme bigger and create not only watermelon. For example, you can take fruit theme and create different fruits, patterns with fruits, and for example sale posters with fruits, and it will be mostly summer theme. Why I created calendar for August? Now it's June, why for August? Because in graphic design world, every holiday needs content before it starts. So what it mean? It means that if National Watermelon Day in August, your buyers need to buy content in June and July for that holiday. So I created calendar that you can use it now. I will create that calendar every first day of every month, but next calendar will be only in my Telegram channel. If you like to see calendar for September, October, November and next month, you need to come to my Telegram channel and to subscribe. So guys, here you see the name of holiday. Here you see ideas what to draw, and let's take some holidays from that list and I'm going to show you what to draw. Our first example is National Watermelon Day. Guys, before you start to draw on every holiday or every theme, at first you need to research the theme. You should know the main colors, composition for that theme, the main typography for that theme. And my huge advice before you start to draw for every theme, please learn everything about that theme. You will need just some hours, maybe one day, to understand the theme, and if you will create quality designs with right colors, composition and typography, your designs will be sell very good. But if you will draw like you want, it won't work, because your buyers, then they come to buy your designs, they understand what we want and they understand everything about the theme. And if your design will be not suitable for that theme, it will not sell. And it's not our goal. Our goal that your designs should sell many times. And please learn everything about theme before you start to draw. And here you see designs about National Watermelon Day. You can create designs for Watermelon Day, or you can create designs just for watermelon, because watermelon one of the main fruits of the summer, and you can create a lot of patterns, posters, for example, summer sale, the whole watermelon, the slices, and of course you can create other summer fruits, for example, fruits summer. So guys, after watermelon you can create different summer fruits, or just create not summer fruits, just you can create fruits, because food theme is very commercial. The content for that theme always needs, so you can create at first National Watermelon Day, just watermelon, summer fruits, so and after you can create vegetables, and for example, if you like food theme, it can be a fast food, it can be sweets. So the food theme is very huge theme. The next one, International Cat Day. Here you can create playful cats with cute faces, with owners who hugs its cat. So here you can create designs for International Cat Day, and after you can create only, for example, cat design, and if you like you can move on and create designs for pets. It can be dogs, it can be hamsters, it can be cats, of course, it can be fish. So you can create designs for grooming salons. There is a lot of options for theme pets. And the last example, Independence Day, India. Here you need to research and understand the culture of India to create designs for that holiday. The main colors, of course, the colors of the flag of India, it's orange, white and green, and of course you need to understand what patterns to draw, what the main elements for that theme. And before you will start to create designs for the holiday of every country, you should to understand the main culture ideas of that country. Well guys, hope my video was useful for you, and I'm interested to hear your opinions about my video and about my calendar. Well guys, if you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about the graphic design. See you guys. Bye.